Hello friends, welcome to all in a Sushrut Raizade official channel. Myself SB Raizade, lecturer Kekewak Polytechnic Nasik. In this video we are going to see the sine bar. Sine bar is used for measurement of an angle of a given job or for setting an angle. Sine bar is one of the famous instrument for angle measurement. Sine bar can be used in a conjunction with slip gauge set and dial gauge for measurement of angle. Sine bar is made up of high carbon, high chromium steel, and all the surfaces are grinded and lapped. It consists of two rollers of same diameter fixed at a distance that is L. The center to center distance between the rollers or plugs are available for fixed distances, that is length equal to 100, 200 mm, 250 mm, 300 mm. The important condition for the sine bar is that the surface of sine bar must be parallel to the center lines of the plug. Here you can see the sine bar. The upper surface and the end surfaces are grinded and lapped. The relief holes are provided to the sine bar. The purpose of relief holes are that one is the gripping purpose and second one to reduce the weight of the sine bar. The two rollers are provided to the sine bar and the center to center distance is length L, that is length of the sine bar. Working principle of sine bar. Basically, sine bar works on the principle of trigonometric sine function. How it is so? Let us see. If one of the roller is lifted and appropriate value of slip gauge, that is at height h, are placed, then we get the right angle triangle. Here you can see, if we lift the roller, then we get the theta, height h and length L, that is the center to center distance, and we get the right angle triangle. From this right angle triangle we can calculate the angle theta. So from this now we have two known values, that is height h and length L. So opposite side of angle, that is h, opposite side upon hypotenuse length L is nothing but the sine theta. So from this trigonometric function we can calculate the angle. So sine theta equal to h upon L. Therefore theta equal to sine inverse of h upon L. To calculate the theta, the sine function is used in this equation. Therefore the instrument is called as a sine bar. There is one limitation of a sine bar, that sine bar is not used for an angle greater than 45 degree. Why it is so? Let us see. We know the basic principle of a sine bar is that sine theta equal to h upon L. So let's differentiate it. So by differentiating we will get the cos theta into d theta, that is derivative of sine theta is cos theta and derivative of theta is d theta, equal to L into dh minus h into dl upon L square. This term is by a differentiation of h upon L, that is by a divide rule of differentiation. Therefore L into derivative of numerator, that is dh, minus h into the derivative of denominator, that is dl, upon square of a denominator, that is L square. For next step, separate each term, that is L dh upon L square minus h dl upon L square, equal to, here 1L gets cancelled, therefore dh upon L minus second term as it is, that is h into dl upon L square. Now for next step we have to compensate h. For that divide and multiply by h. I have multiply and divide by the h to the first term. So instead of h upon L, we can write the sine theta. So I have written it, and the only one h is remaining, though, therefore dh upon h into sine theta. And in second term, instead of h upon L, again we can write sine theta, so dl upon L into sine theta equal to, we take a sine theta common, in bracket we will get the dh upon h minus dl upon L. Therefore d theta equal to tan theta. Now tan theta, how it comes? In left side there is a cos theta and right side sin theta. So cos theta can be taken into the right side. Therefore we will get the sin theta upon cos theta. It becomes tan theta. Therefore d theta equal to tan theta into dh upon h minus dl upon L. D theta is nothing but the error, that is change in angle. Therefore this error is a function of tan theta. It means that if we put the angle below the 45-degree, we will get the small error. And if we increase the angle beyond the 45-degree, the error gets suddenly increases. For this purpose, the sign bar is not used for the angle greater than the 45-degree. This is what the sign bar and the limitation of sign bar. Thank you.